Children, today we are going to write two-letter words in your workbook, page number 2. The first word is U, S, us. So children, for small u, we will write between the two blue lines. Standing line, curve, go up standing and come down standing. U. For S, between the two blue lines, C curve and the reverse curve, touch the second blue line and go little bit up. U, S, us. The next word is B, E, B. For small b, we will start from the first red line, standing line, go up till the first blue line and the reverse C, touch the second blue line. B. For E, between the two blue lines, we will do slanting up, touch the first blue line and a C curve, come down, touch the second blue line. B, E, B. M, E, me. For small letter M, we will write between the two blue lines, standing, go up, curve, come down, standing, again go up, curve, come down, standing. M. For E, between the two blue lines, slant and a C curve between the two blue lines. M, E, me. Now H, E, he. For H, we will start from the first red line, standing line, go up till the first blue line and a curve, come down standing. For E, slant and a C curve between the two blue lines. H, E, he. W, E, V. For small w, we will write between the two blue lines, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. W and V, slant line and a C curve between the two blue lines. W, E, V. G, O, go. For small g, between the two blue lines, C curve, go up, come down standing, touch the second red line and a curve. For O, C curve, reverse C curve between the two blue lines. G, O, go. N, O, no. For N, standing line, go up and a curve, come down standing and touch the second blue line. N and O. N, O, no. S, O, so. For S, C curve and a reverse C curve between the two blue lines. S and O. S, O, so. T, O, to. For T, we will start little bit below the first red line. Standing line, touch the second blue line, go up and a sleeping line on the first blue line. T and O between the two blue lines. T, O, to. D, O, do. For small d, start from the first red line, come down standing, go up till the first blue line and a C curve. D, O between the two blue lines. D, O, do. B, Y, by. For small b, we will start from the first red line, standing line, go up till the first blue line and a reverse curve between the two blue lines. For small y, from the first blue line, slant down and again from the first blue line, slant down till the second red line. B, Y, by. For small m, Y, my. For small m, between the two blue lines, standing line, go up, curve, come down standing, again go up, curve, come down standing till the second blue line. M. For Y, slant down till the second blue line, and from the first blue line slant down till the second red line. M, Y, my.